true because...
Yes, only in a comment section and lock it off because just over here put few.
No, them a mix up, you know. I really look on comment section, you know. Can you see them now? Them a mix up. Can you see all of them in the chat on the yasso? Yes, when Screamer come, them done we. Me not really look on comment section, me attack. Me not really look on them. Because them appear hypocrite and people all over yasso. Me I tell you. So me not really look on comment section. Me a reason me not look on comment section because it's sweet them because they have to say they have your chat out.
True, we thought the truth. You're stuck with no mother because when screen recording come out, I want to see a man and this and bring her down. You think me I hear that? That's why I'm not to open my mouth and talk, you know, because I can't trick me over here, say, you know. The same thing on over here, push her and add fuels to flames.
They can't push me.
As soon as screen recording come out, I want to see a man over there bring her down. You know, I hear nothing I have to say in the comment section. I'm lucky if you know I like me, not like me, bro.
You can't say no lie, I mix up.
That's why I know say me
mix up, because I'm going on much comment section.
Diamond, I may apologize to Rose.
I'm going on much comment
live, I deal with it properly.
I'm going on much comment section.
Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if middle up on the beat, and as you can see upon the screen, it's not a good look for Rosealee, my people. It's not a good look for Rosealee because Dyema seems to be her weakest link. Now, after both of their boyfriends basically abandoned them and chose sides with the apps after the war, as you see Akeem and Figure It Out with, you know, Swizzly and these people, right? And them not even tell Rosealee and Diamond said them did I go out with the apps. You know what I mean? So after all of that transpired, no, and things, no, we say Figure It Out around Diamond, right? And that man want to lock off the comments because the people them is telling her the truth. These people are not here for Uno. They betrayed Uno. They are just using Uno. You see, man, I see my people putting out the comment section where you think about that because even though Figure It Out, Akeem, no Rebel and them before Rosealee, right? They wasn't popular enough for Rebel and them for power with them. So Rosealee dust them up now, and them say we don't need them girl there. Cause you know say Diamond slap it up, and Rebel and them people don't like each other, you know. You see, man, I say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. People putting out the comment section, oh Diamond Low Figure It Out to come back around because that man then not lying. But true Figure It Out don't have clout like Akeem. Him have to, you know, keep up the fake thing with Diamond for status, you know. But nevertheless, let's hear what Diamond said before Figure It Out forward. And, you know, after he forward, your demeanor changed, you know. You see my ass, my people.
People will go sit down. That boy like no sense, brother. Me no idiot, brother. Me not dunce. Me not dunce, bro. Cause obviously if I not yam up Rose, me a walk with Rose. And first about me depend. Me a go get yam up too. Me probably just not get yam up loud, but me know me a get yam up too. So me no know one I go like nobody dunce, bro. Why they not dunce, bro? I mean know when people like me for when people not like me. I mean when people in me for when people not in me. Nobody don't have to tell me. You see me? Me my load and misery, you know. A far God show me, you know. Me see everything before everything coming at all times. But me ever see things before it reach. Me see everything from far all the while. Even if you go to church tomorrow morning, I can't reach you people. I don't should become me cost too much bad word and just itch up in a dance. Cause me I want me telling you know, me I want a God servant, you know. Cause me see things, you know. Me see things before things come, you know. I just should become a cost pay bad one and I don't want to go to church and them something, you know. Come on be one of God good servant. Cause me see things. Me see through things before things reach. I me cost too much bad one and they got dancing. Cause me soon change all my life too. That's why you see me just go and build, brother. Remember I say me not like ever, you know. Yes, when you not like ever, you not try to force yourself in a position. When you not like ever, you hold your lane, brother. Try me have 10 wheels, so no can give me 7 wheels. Meantime, I reason. Feelings connect on them thing there, bro. Me know when me welcome. Me know when me welcome, you know. Me know when people want me to come, you know. And me know when you not go. Me know when me welcome at one place. And me know when me not welcome. Me see me feel me energy. Me can't feel the energy. And me not try to put me not try to put myself in a space where me know me not fit in, bro. Better me stay alone. Me not try to fit in myself in a space where me know so me can't hold in this so. Me know for me type of company them. Me know me type of company them. If you want a risto company, me not try to force myself to par with you, cause me no risto. You not gonna want par with me, cause me brawling and me aga. Say me brawling and me aga. Why me gonna try to force myself to go par with somebody with risto when me know me can't keep up with the risto liberty? You understand me as a chat? Me not try to put myself in a space that me not gonna fit in. If me a rank right, yes, so me not try to fit in myself with the top rank of them. Me stay down in my levels and down in my lane when me there. Me not try to force up myself to go up so to go force up myself to go fit in. Me not try to do that. You saw me go a river. Me know say your judgment go come off of the river, you know. Me know be a judgment when go come off of the river, you know, when we left Dallas Sunday and got the river, you know. Me see the whole of the judgment, you know. And me little me carry and see me not come out, you know. Me see the judgment before the judgment come, you know. Miss heat, you know. You don't think me in the river? Me in the river, you know. Me just don't come out of me car. Cause me see the judgment. Me see it. So me don't even think me in the river. Me did the river. Me just see the judgment a come. Me see everything a come. Cause anywhere too much TikTok a there, judgment a come off of it. Me a telling you that. That's why me stay in my car, brother. Me feel like me did it. Me did it, brother. Me did it. Me just stay in my car, bro. And if you don't want me talk, me can't talk. Cause me sit down Rose as a bigger woman for Rose. And me tell him. So when you not come chat off on the more about people not tell Rose no. I mean me sit down and tell Rose all everything before I reach him. So when me talk if you don't want me talk then. Me tell him before everything reach him, me tell him. Me tell him which space he not fit enough and which space he fit enough. Me tell her. Since you don't want me blood clot talk. So nobody feel like people not tell Rose nothing. Yeah? Rose doesn't want big woman. And Rose just work off her own free will. And Rose head not so right, you know. Like for me, I know. Anything what Rose might tell Rose do that Rose do, you know. Nobody can tell Rose do what he do. I'm not telling you that. I love me. Don't tell me to leave no. And Rose no blood clot, listen. I'm going to talk my mind. Not tell me nothing, man. Can't love contact about people not tell Rose this and people not tell Rose that. Eh? More time sit down and tell Rose when fitting and where enough you go. Where enough you do. Eh? I don't come chat up no more. Let me talk my blood clot mind, man. Cause they already not like me for a man. Let me talk my blood clot mind. What I talk about? I see me say, you know, when you see the argument, you know, when I talk about me, not tell Rose, you know. When Rose pin when get take away, you know, I say Rose said, Diamond, I can't stay and I can't sleep, cause me don't know, me pick them gone and Rose a drink and Rose a say, can't sit. Rose say, Diamond, me want go in a club. Me say, Rose, me not going to no club with you. Can you say, if we go in a club like you pick them get take away, the people are going to beat me in the morning. Rose said, Diamond, I can't stay in here. And when I see Rose did it and they say, he can't stay in, and I just say, alright. I just make up my mind and I say, come on. I have to go make up my mind and take the beating. Cause the woman they drink and the woman a crash out. And he say he can't stay in the house. And me I say Rose them go deal it with wicked, you know. Yesterday we got the club. We lost 5 times, you know. And Mr. Rose me a turn back. Cause sign this. Here, and me still go with him. Cause me I say John no. He say he can't stay in here. And me still take the beating. And no come and talk about, oh, Diamond be careless woman, Diamond or this, Diamond or what me not tell Rose? You don't know nothing about me and Rose. Nothing, no. If Rose listen enough time, things not reach him. I told Rose not listen. Rose not listen. Come and tell her how Rose stay. Rose not listen. Rose have about 6 mentality. 6 different sitting in a film head. Rose not busy. You can't sit down right there and tell Rose sitting in her ears. And you gone through Rose ears. You be sitting there and say, Rose not click no live. You can't tell Rose that. And me have one mindset like that too. When I make up my mind, people can't tell me what to do. So me just leave her. Make she comfortable with what she do. Because we are big people. Because if you don't feel like me not tell Rose we spare, you don't feel like me not sit down and tell Rose we fit in power we not fit in. Me tell Rose we fit in a power we not blood clot fit in. Eh? And every space fit we. Because we are dog, we are hog. As they say, my big old hog, and me a hog too. And everywhere fit we. We don't fit in every category. Rose Mr. Akeem called and said, no. My Rose star said, Jesus Christ, so then don't win with them. God no, I tell her in front of the screen, we're not afraid.
Chad, you see, one of my platform this man.
I don't hear platform, I must want anything.
But it's so reason. But as I say, if Diamond feel away,
yeah, me feel away.
She may respect, but so I have to apologize properly first thing as it. As a man, I just want to make sure I say, yeah, feelings and she feels some type of way inside about that.
You know why I feel that way too? We have on the back 100%. So we just feel like so after we back to all on a man and it's a woman argument, right? Yeah, but here what happened now? Me no in an argument, you know. I must say me no in it, you know. But me just stand me ground as a friend, as a dog. You understand me? I would just feel away because we are saying, you should have sit down there out still, you know. Because we know some people don't go consider that, you know. We know so they don't go consider that. We know. It's just true because...
Yes, only in a comment section and lock you have to lock it off because I'm just over here put few.
No, them are mixed up, you know. I really look on the comment section, you know. Can you see them now? Them are mixed up. Can you see all of them when they chat on the yourself? Yes, when Screamer card come, them done we. I don't really look on comment section, I talk. I don't really look on them. Because them appear hypocrite and people over yourself. I tell you. So I don't really look on comment section. I reason I look on comment section because it's sweet them because they have this they have a chat out.
True, I thought the truth, you suck on a mother because when screen recording come out, I want to see a man and this and I bring her down. You think me I hear that? That's why I'm not to open my mouth and talk, you know, because I can't trick me over here, say, you know. The same thing on over here, push her and add fuels to flames.
They can't push me.
As soon as screen recording come out, I want to see a man over there bring her down. You know, I hear nothing one have to say in the comment section. I'm lucky if you don't like me, don't like me, bro.
They can't say no lie, I mix up.
That's why I know say me
Them a mix up, because I go in how much comment section.
I may apologize to Rose.
I go in how much comment
live, I deal with it properly.
I go in how much comment section and see my contact about, oh, no man if you make enemy for yourself. This whenever tell yourself you make nobody talk about no enemy. We are human beings, we are going to feel that way because if nobody this, you know, we are stands with ground. Anybody this, you know, we are stands with ground. I mean, really, Jay, you see me there on my platform and I talk. I don't look in the comment section, you know. I don't look in the comment section because I don't engrave me. I don't really look in the comment section.
Shorty, you don't know, say it was basically a charity event. We just started with if you give back to the community because the whole storm and hurricane and something, so we just stay so. I understand? You know, really want boom bang.
Yeah, I'm not busy with that. I just tell us in front of your face. I mean, I go behind your back and go like saying, Ray, remember me is a straightforward smart, you know. Remember me and nobody don't have nothing, you know, Jay. Remember me and nobody don't have nothing. But the moral is if me did come with you, you gone, me gone, Akeem gone, and Rose, you look away. So when I youth, you know, when I man, so when I gone, so I just stand the girl grounds. You see me? And bill and clutch. I'm not want to comment in here for an hypocrite. Come on, Thomas, come here. Come blood clot here. And not tell me about our. Me dey talk about me I talk to my dog. Me not talk to uno. Me know what me mean. I talk to uno. Move no hypocrite blood clot. Cause at one segment uno ain't like them, you know. Every day uno come in a people comment section, come bring them down and talk about oh this and go. Uno not tell me nothing. Me will talk, not tell me nothing. I move for your song because uno ain't like them. Uno ain't like them. I tell you nothing. You don't like them, amount of enemy and amount of class, no class with them, you know, I don't found no. Amount of anger with blood clot them. So man go chat about the man if you create enemy. I want if I no anger with them, I will take it. And stand the ground so no move further yes so. Cause I don't never will like them, I no class them, go and class them come. And bring them down and tell life and blood clot them. So nobody come to nothing. I will buy enemy we get up ourselves for them too. So what? If you know how we talk. I will buy enemy we get that too. So what? So what? Why if we want so we want, so we say what we want to say. And we not have to go behind no back go talk. Everybody have picked their side. And we are Empire is the Fantastic Four. If you know how we go in at it and talk. So leave we alone. Because we never like them. But they never like them for true. Mount a cuss them cuss we. You hear me not like them man, them a grieve me youth. Sure. Me hate my life. Cause me I get grieve and me not want to talk the things them. One man.
It's not something now go on. I don't even know how I go on. Any life.
Put in the comment section what you think about that. Like I said, my people, I think that at least Rosealee and Diamond deserve a phone call from these guys that they're doing business with, cause the series, right? It's not serious, right? Right. I think they deserve at least a phone call, you know, kind of make it look away that they have to find out about these things on social media. You know what I mean? Yeah. But I'm just giving an update while I go on for it to go on. Do the right thing, my people, and don't forget to like the video and share it 1,000 times on our social media platform and subscribe to my channel. The notification bell to be notified whenever I continue to drop the latest one. Bless.